Okay, we're just going to talk you through some of the basic controls of the Peugeot Traveller Lioness. First of all, the key, simply the unlock button and lock button at the top here. Okay, you can slide the switch across at the bottom if you need to get the physical key out. This car has electric sliding doors, so those buttons there control the electric sliding doors remotely if you have that feature in your car. Okay, so the gear lever is just down here. Okay, so starting the car, this car is keyless entry. Keyless start stop. You simply have the key anywhere in the car and press the engine start stop button, of course with your foot depressing the foot brake at the same time. Okay, to select a gear, you see the mark just at the top there showing that we're in park. You just twist the dial into reverse, neutral, or drive. You can select manual as well when you're in drive. You can see it lit up there. So we'll go back into park. We'll turn the engine off. Okay, so just on the left-hand side of the seat here is the handbrake. You just press the button in the end and lower the handbrake to remove it, and the opposite to apply it. The steering wheel is multifunctional, so you can control the media system sound with a mute button just there as well. On the right hand side are some of the controls for the trip computer behind the steering wheel. Okay, so you can cycle through menus using this button here. We'll use the voice activation with that button there. The seat itself, okay, there's just a bar below it that you pull up towards you to slide backwards and forwards. Okay, just on the left hand side is a height adjustable armrest. Okay, there's a lumbar support dial on this one, so you can control lumbar support just by twisting it. On the right hand side, you have a dial just at the back here that controls the seat angle of the back of the seat, and then just a height adjustment lever here, so that's pulling the seat higher and pushing it lower. Okay, so mirrors are controlled by the controls on the top of the door here. So this switch here can go left and right. So pushing it all the way to the right, you can control the mirrors left, right, up, and down. Okay, if you move that switch to the center and pull it back towards you, providing your car has the feature that controls the electric folding mirrors. So you pull it back towards you, just start the engine, show you, pull it back towards you, fold the mirrors in. Okay, the two buttons here are for your electric windows, just controlling the front. Okay, so the lights are controlled by the stalk on the end here, just behind the steering wheel. So if I just show you from this side, the end of the stalk has off, auto, side lights, and main lights. Okay, pulling the whole lever towards you will flash the full beam headlights. Pushing it away from you will do the same and keep them on permanently. Okay, so this is the indicator stalk as well. So knocking it down will indicate left, knocking it up will indicate right. On the opposite side is the wiper stalk. Okay, so twisting the end of it controls the rear wipers. Okay, holding it will wash the rear wipers. The whole stalk moving towards you will wash the front windscreen. Okay, and knocking the stalk upwards will adjust the front windscreen wiper speed. Okay, the horn is controlled by the just pressing the center of the steering wheel, like most horns. The air conditioning unit, I'll just show you again, start the engine. Okay, it's just in the center here. You can control air conditioning just by pressing this button here. These paddles here control the temperature on both sides. And you can control the fan speed, the buttons on the right hand side. Clear the windscreen with these two buttons. Okay, and select where you want the air to go with this button. It just shows the picture in the middle when you adjust it. Okay, the media system is a touchscreen system. The main control on and off is just on the left hand side here. When you twist it to adjust the volume. Okay, the main buttons on the outside, you can go to settings. Okay, radio and nav and phone. Okay, so to connect your phone, just go to settings on your mobile phone and select Bluetooth, and then tap the connect telephone button, and they should pair. Okay, so when you're on the music menu, you can plug your phone in using the USB port here, and there's a 12-volt socket here as well. Okay, hazard lights just in the center of the car, center of the console here. And when you select your station, you can cycle through the stations and select your favorites just by holding a tile, and that will be saved as one of your favorites.